Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're diving into VentureAshore, a website found at www.ventureashore.com. This platform offers a comprehensive guide for individuals considering relocating overseas, particularly those seeking to establish businesses or find new employment opportunities in a different country. It acts as a central hub for information on various aspects of international relocation, covering topics like visa requirements, business incorporation processes, and even cultural insights for specific destinations. VentureAshore seems to cater to a broad audience, from budding entrepreneurs looking to launch their ventures abroad to seasoned professionals seeking new career horizons in a foreign land. The site appears to focus on providing practical advice and resources, making it a valuable tool for anyone navigating the complexities of international moves. They provide detailed breakdowns of various countries, highlighting the advantages and potential challenges of living and working in each location. Whether you're dreaming of opening a beachside cafe in Bali or securing a high-powered tech job in Berlin, VentureAshore might offer the guidance you need to make your international aspirations a reality. Their website, located at https://www.ventureashore.com, appears to be the primary resource for accessing their information and services. This suggests they've consolidated their expertise into a single, readily accessible online platform. This centralized approach simplifies the process for individuals researching and planning their international relocation journeys. It's a valuable starting point for those serious about exploring opportunities beyond their home country. They seem to offer a wealth of information on topics ranging from finding suitable housing to navigating the local tax laws in your chosen destination. This can be incredibly useful for anyone feeling overwhelmed by the logistical hurdles of moving abroad.